On-the-job training refers to a method of learning and skill development, where individuals acquire knowledge and expertise while performing tasks within their actual work environment. Unlike traditional classroom-based instruction, on-the-job training occurs directly within the context of the job itself. It typically involves experienced employees or supervisors guiding and mentoring new or less experienced colleagues through various tasks, processes, and responsibilities. On-the-job training emphasizes learning through practical experience. Trainees are given opportunities to observe experienced workers, ask questions, and then gradually take on more responsibility for completing tasks themselves, all under close supervision. Experienced colleagues or trainers play a vital role in on-the-job training as they provide guidance, feedback, and support to trainees as they learn new skills and navigate the demands of the job. On-the-job training can incorporate various methods like demonstrations, coaching, role-playing exercises, and individual practice under supervision. On-the-job training is a valuable tool for employee development, but it often works best in conjunction with other training methods such as classroom instruction, online learning modules, or workshops. A blended learning approach can provide a well-rounded learning experience for employees, whereas off-the-job training refers to training and development activities that take place outside of the regular work environment. Unlike on-the-job training, which occurs within the workplace and involves hands-on experience, off-the-job training typically involves learning activities conducted away from the workplace setting. Benefits of off-the-job training include focused learning, as off-the-job training removes employees from daily work distractions, allowing them to concentrate fully on the training content, which can lead to deeper understanding and knowledge retention. Exposure to new ideas, as off-the-job programs often feature external instructors or resources, bringing in fresh perspectives and best practices from outside the organization. Development of broader skills, as off-the-job training can encompass a wider range of topics beyond just job-specific skills. This includes areas like communication, leadership, problem-solving, and soft skills development. Networking opportunities, as off-the-job programs, especially workshops or conferences, can provide opportunities for employees to network with professionals from other companies or industries. Improved focus and motivation, as a dedicated learning environment can boost employee focus and motivation compared to multitasking during on-the-job training. Common types of off-the-job training include workshops and seminars. These intensive programs cover specific topics in a short period, often led by industry experts. Conferences, these are larger events that bring together professionals for presentations, discussions, and networking opportunities. Online courses such as e-learning platforms offer a flexible and convenient way to learn new skills at the employee's own pace. University courses or certifications. Organizations may sponsor or reimburse employees for pursuing relevant academic qualifications. It is essential to carefully consider the costs, benefits, and suitability of off-the-job training programs in the context of the organization's goals and resources. Additionally, off-the-job training can complement on-the-job training effectively, and a blended learning approach that combines both methods can provide a well-rounded learning experience for employees.